Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to align text horizontally in Photoshop. Let's begin. I have a two type text for single line. Then select all single line. Hold Ctrl. Select multiple line. Then align. Middle, left, right, left, middle, center. Press Ctrl Z for OK. And see this. Type two text. Double click. Left, right, middle, and see this character, or you not show this options. Go to window and click character, then show this text. Now see this up down for arrow key, up and down. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.